let's come over and look at the NQ. Now, I've got the one up to here, and I've still got this marked up as an A wave. I think it's an ABC into this 618 retrace. This is the next one up in all probability. Then we got an ABC down last week, and we're in a 1-2-1, a little bit higher, small pullback, and we should take off in the NDX. We need to see it hold above 73.27 at all times from here. If that's what the count is. We take that out, then we can still come all the way down here. I really would be quite surprised if we saw that now, but we need to be on our toes for it, just in case. Meanwhile, first thing we need to do is take out 74.21, which is today's high, and carry on up to complete the next one up in the NQ. Now, Dow Jones is right in the zone here this morning. I think this is a last four, and we get a fifth up to one of these higher fibs, 25.838, 25.883, and then we should come down here, 25.355, 25.260. This is the zone that needs to hold now in the Dow Jones. It's on the YM chart that I posted in the forum and in this room this morning. And then we should take off in the 3 in the YM. I posted the pro real-time chart for those in the UK this morning, so work off that for your intraday levels.